How to import Notion templates. So if you want to go ahead and quickly import a template into your Notion to make it look better and feel better, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here to templates. Now, once you come here to templates, it's going to load things in. And here you can get all these different types of templates. Now, if you want to import a template into this, you're going to click on more templates. And once you click on more templates, you're going to see all of these different types of templates that you can actually download and import into your Notion. So let's say I want this one, Power Dashboard. I'm going to click on Get Template. And once you click on Get Template, what's going to happen is you're going to come here. You are going to click on I want this. And once we do this, just make sure to write the price. Click on I want this. And once you click on I want this, you're simply going to check out. And once you check out, this template will be brought to your proper Notion dashboard. Well, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.